The cloud curve can be found under SASSE Library, Assets, Draw Curves, and we can just drag and drop that into our scene. Once the shaders have loaded, we can hit play, and we can see the animation. So this is like a smoke trail, a steam trail, and we've got a number of options that we can tweak. So once again, the options will be in the Modifiers tab under the Geometry Nodes modifier. So I'm just going to pause this for a moment. Turning the voxel amount up will get you more detail on your mesh, but it will also come at the cost of performance. So if I put it to 32 here, you can see it's playing 25 frames per second. Go to 64, it drops to 20. Let's say 96. So now we're getting 12 frames per second, but you can also see we're getting a lot more detail in these shapes on the cloud. So back to 32. You can change the seed to get a different random distribution of these cloud elements. Radius factor determines how large they are. Radius offset will offset the radius of all points. Scale offset min will enlarge the smallest ones or shrink the smallest ones. You have the density slider here. You can make it more or less dense, which also works when you're animating this, or scale offset min, I find tend to be the ones when you're animating that you want to affect. And then we've got displacement scale. So this is going to be the width of the points. So if we turn it up, we can, and we might need more subdivisions to see it. If we turn it up, then we can see that the things are smaller. If we turn it down, then we are going to get these big, large lumps moving through the cloud to the point where you can almost not even tell that it's lumps anymore. So then we've also got displacement strength. So this is how much it should push out. So you can pull this all the way down and make it a really smooth, smooth smoke surface. So there's lots of different ways that you can mess with this. And then, you know, no subdivisions will perform well, but will not look well. Then you can change the color of the top and the bottom to whatever you would like it to be. We'll go hot pink. And you can change the where the gradient is located.